Hello, my name is Babette Wiezorek. I'm a product designer with an additional background in art history and science of communication. I'm living and working in Berlin, Germany, and I mainly research the intersection between materials, technologies, and the processes that connect them. For almost 8 years now, I'm focusing on digital and additive manufacturing procedures with ceramic materials. So to make it short, I'm working with ceramic 3D printing, and I often use generative and algorithm-based approaches to create the shapes of the artifacts, but also to control the printer's movements directly. Beside this, I'm running the design studio Additive Addicted, and I'm teaching and lecturing at various universities here in Germany. So I'm already looking much forward to the workshop we will do together in October. And in this workshop, I will give you a very practical and hands-on introduction into ceramics 3D printing, in ceramics in general, and in 3D modeling with algorithms. So much looking forward to meet you and see you in October. Bye.